Hello everyone and welcome. I just wanted to make this short video just to show you how to log into Canvas. Many of us, this is our first time online, so this might be, well, it is a good opportunity for me to share with you how exactly you sign into Canvas. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to canvas.chaffee.edu. Okay, type that into your browser. This is the fastest way to do it. You can also do this through your student portal. But if you want to go directly into Canvas, this is the fastest way. You're going to use your student portal login, so your initials. So my name is Danny Keener, so I'm DK, and then my ID number, and then my password. And then, sometimes it takes a while, then you get right into Canvas. This is your dashboard. So all of the classes that you're enrolled in, you'll see right there on your dashboard, your published classes. I have not published ours yet, so it will be, but I promise you it will be on there on the first day, on Monday. So that's that. If you have any questions about how to log in, you know my email. It is daniel.keener@chaffee.edu. If you need help at any point in the process of trying to log in, I will help you out along the way. But until I see you online, have a great rest of your day. All right, bye-bye.